Mastering English. The magic of this and these. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of demonstrative determiners, specifically focusing on the words this and these. These little words play a big role in English language communication, and understanding them correctly will significantly improve your fluency. The words this and these are known as demonstrative determiners. They are used to point out specific things or people. This is used for singular items, while these is used for plural items. So remember, this is for one thing and these are for many things. When you're speaking about a singular item or person that is close to you, either physically or in the conversation, you use this. This can be an object, a person, or even a situation. Here's how. Look at this book. The book is nearby. I can't believe this. A situation that just happened. This also includes things that are coming up in time. I'm looking forward to this weekend. The upcoming weekend. When you're referring to multiple items or people that are near you or relevant in the conversation, you use these. Like this, these can refer to objects, people, or situations. Check out these examples. Can you pass these cookies? The cookies are nearby. I love these songs. The songs currently playing or recently discussed. Just as with this, these can also refer to events coming up in time. Are you free these upcoming holidays? Holidays in the near future. While this and these may seem similar, it's crucial to understand the difference. This is for one, and these is for more than one. Also, both are used for things that are near or relevant in the conversation or coming up in time. So, there you have it. The mystery of this and these has been solved. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any language, so try using this and these as much as you can in your daily English conversations. We hope this video helps you on your journey to English fluency. Happy learning!